Okay, in this little video today, I'm going to demonstrate how OneCart integrates with QuickBooks. This demo is obviously going to be very similar for Xero accounting integration. So what we'll do is we'll create a manual order here in OneCart, and then the order is then going to flow into Zapier, which is a connector application that connects OneCart to QuickBooks. I've set up this Zap over here, the OneCart to QuickBooks Zap, which looks like this right here. So what I'll do is I'll send the new order to Zapier, and then Zapier is then going to find the customer in QuickBooks and create a sales receipt under that customer. This is what the program looks like. And once I've created the order in OneCart, the sales receipt will pop up here on the top line after I refresh this page. This is my QuickBooks test account. So let's go ahead here. So I'll just rename the order number to OneCart Manual Demo. Order date will be today, and then I'll just add a couple of SKUs to my test order. I'll just add these hoodies here. A couple of medium hoodies, red and blue, and let's say this person bought 5 red hoodies and 3 blue hoodies, and this is demo account, so I'm not going to deduct from my inventory and create the order. So at this point the order has been created. Zapier has detected it. It's then, so the order is flowing into Zapier, and it might take a couple of minutes to show up here in QuickBooks. So let's give it a sec. You might want to fast forward. Just going to start refreshing. Okay, here it is. So top line, OneCart manual demo. I'm just going to go ahead and view the PDF for the sales receipt. Let's look at the line items. So, yep, we've got 3 blue mediums, 5 red mediums, and we've got the total 192, looks good. We've got the little order number here on the sales receipt. The data is correct. So there you go, a small little demo.